am Carl Jane Rabago Cabuenas.
And I am Narija Rakaza.
We are from Southwestern University FINMA student, and we have a guest here, Miss.
I am Hanibi Sabal, studying at University of Cebu, taking up Bachelor of Science in Criminal Justice, a second year college.
So Miss Anibe is an exercise enthusiast. So Miss Honeybee, I have an experience to share with you about my last year PE PE subject. So last year po, PE 30 and PE 31 was very engaging, very I learned a lot. I learned a lot in the first semester in PE. Kanang grabe ka engaging, like grabe kay gipatake ay gikuan mi sa mong teacher like physical exercise every 3 times a week. Need you na mo magkuan kay to become a healthy. So grabe ka siya benefits sa akong lawas kay grabe kayo ganang adaptation. Lisod at first but grabe yung adaptation ang gibuhat sa PED sa ako like grabe like bisag kapoy kay kustanan I have still an energy to to do things kay murag to be ang goal mo gud sa PE is to be a physically fit, to be physically healthy. So grabe ang engaging when it comes to exercise sa PE na mo last year. And then it's very good kay grabe sa check benefits ako And then in my last semester last year sa PK 31 na mo, grabe po siya grabe po siya kanang benefits kay first month or first week, grabe ka siya og kanang mga like gipabalik mi og exercise 3 times a week. And then after that gisulong mi into a dance competition which is gipa-exercise me para maka-healthy mi sa mo para healthy ang lawas gipa-adapt ang lawas to kanang to be physically fit sa kanang nga dance competitions every practice like grabe adaptations grabe adaptation and engaging ang nahabuhat sa PE na mo last year. And it's very good kay grabe po siya benefits sa mga especially nga kanang nursing student me. And then grabe ang PE that time kay you ready me nila to face reality. You ready me nila to become a physically fit, to become physically healthy. And that's very good and that's a very positive outcome nga nabuhat sa PE sa mua. And that's my best experience so far. And now, if napod me time, we do an exercise kay para ma-maintain na mo physically fit or lifestyle. That's my best experience so far in my PED 30 and my PED 31.
Yes, we have the same experience with Carol Jane since we are classmates that time, Miss. And then, kanang Miss, I have a question. So, how's your physical activities last month or last week?
So far, okay na dyan kayo siya since I am a criminology student and every Sunday we are gonna having a agility which is kanang 2 a.m. We need to wake up para lang mo go sa school then magkanang kuan og mga training which is pang police na jud nga exercises. Then it is so very hard for me especially kanang first year pa ko ato nga time. Unya kanang maglisod kog manage if kanang mo dayon ba kog adto ka which is 2 a.m. jud dapat mo adto then kanang I need it also because kanang murag makuan sa ko ba ma-motivate sa ko ba kanang dapat mo adto sa jud ko kay para mo indot sa atong kanang kon sa atong lawas kanang mo work jud ang imong gipangkuan ba gipangkuan nga effort.
So, yeah. So, Miss, we have three questions related sa physical activities. And then, so our first question is, what type of lifestyle do you have at present, and why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
So I have a healthy lifestyle. Many individuals prioritize a healthy lifestyle, incorporating regular exercise, balanced diet, and self-care practices to promote physical and mental well-being. I chose this lifestyle kay mas ma-care po na ako akong self through doing exercise and balanced diet. Since summer naman ron, magsige gyud use gadgets and online, magsige gyud atubang ana. So instead of magsige kog kanang kuan og kanang mga phones or gadgets something kay kuan kog time na ako nga para mag-exercise para ma-maintain ang akong physical fit.
Yeah, that's a nice experience. So our next question, Miss, is what was your turning point that made you realize to engage in physical activity, and What keeps you motivated, Miss?
Turning points, health concerns, a health scare, or realization about the importance of physical fitness for overall health can be significant turning point. So my motivation is celebrating progress, recognizing and celebrating milestones and achievements along the fitness journey can boost motivation. Since I am a person na kanang na confuse akong body sa una kay hiligpod ko og kanang bikini something, then kanang gi-motivate gyud ako akong self everyday nga dapat mudo ko ng exercise para lang kuan jud akong goal nga magpa sexy body.
Yeah, that's all right. Nice kanang motivation. So our last question, Miss, is as an exercise enthusiast or regular exerciser, what will you advise to a person with no interest in engaging physical activities?
So all I can advise to the people who don't have interest in doing physical activity, start slow and gradual. Encourage them to start with simple and manageable activities such as taking short walks, stretching, or trying gentle yoga. Starting a small can help build confidence and momentum. So find what to enjoy, suggest exploring different types of physical activities to find something that resonates with them, whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or playing a sport. Finding an activity they enjoy, it can enjoy make exercise more appealing.
Yeah, that's
Wow, that's very amazing, Miss. It's very kind of helpful to us. And it's very good. Kay imagine you are connected sa imong body, but at the same point nag-engage ka to not also ka na to be a physically fit, to be ka ng imong body ma-maintain mo ang imong gusto nga goal, like to be fit. And then it's very good. And Miss, thank you so much for your cooperation.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much for your cooperations, Miss Honeybee. We're very pleased to we're very pleased nga imo jud ming giganag time to interview you. And we hope, Miss, that kanang you will be kanang an advocate to the people nga kanang dapat sila exercise, dapat sila dapat sila physically fit para ma-maintain nila ang gusto nga i-maintain. And help, Miss, nga dili lang unta sa imong sa laing tao takod sa pamilya nga ikaw ang reason nila why they choose to engage in that activity para not para physically fit sila. And thank you so much kay wala jud kayo, grabe kayo ka inspire imong mga tubag, grabe kayo mga motivations nga naghatag sa mua nga dapat jud ay dili ana dapat you need to be physically fit para mabuhat nimo imong gusto. Salamat, Miss.
thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Miss. Also,
Bye.
unta dagan pa kag ma-encourage to be physically fit. Honey's healthy lifestyle, embracing a healthy lifestyle through regular exercise and a personal balanced diet, motivated by personal interest and celebrating progress, while encouraging others to start slow and find enjoyable activities can significantly enhance physical and mental well-being.
So, Miss Honeybee lifestyle is centered around exercise and balanced diet that is significant her personal commitment that reflect her as a strong self-care and determination. It is understandable how Miss Honeybee concerned about her body image that trigger her insecurity. But the approach to cope is but the approach to cope of Miss Honeybee is to become physically fit is very empowering. That is a journey of personal growth, resilience that guided by her commitment to be physically fit and to be healthy as and her well-being.